My dear students, today I am going to explain you some numericals in chemistry. The first question is how many gram atoms of hydrogen are present in the following? First is 8.5 gram of ammonia, that is NH3, and second is 0.02 mole of CuSO4.5H2, that is copper sulfate pentahydrate. So solution is molecular weight of NH3 is 1 into 14 plus 3 into 1 because nitrogen is 1 and its molecular, that means you can say atomic mass is 14 and hydrogen is 3 and atomic mass is 1, so 3 into 1, so that is equals to 17 gram. So since 17 gram of ammonia, that is NH3, contains 3 gram of hydrogen, here you see 3 in NH3, 3 gram hydrogen is present. So therefore 1 gram of ammonia will contain 3 by 17 gram of hydrogen, and therefore 8.5 gram of ammonia will contain 3 into 8.5 by 17. 17 5 is 85, so 0.5 it will be, so 3 into 0.5, and that is equals to 1.5 gram atom of hydrogen. Second is, since 1 mole of CuSO4.5H2O contains 10 gram of hydrogen, because you see here 5H2, that means 5 to the 10, and hydrogen's atomic mass is 1, so 10 into 1 is 10, so it is 10 gram of hydrogen. Therefore 0.02 mole of copper sulfate pentahydrate will contain 0.02 into 10, that is equals to 2.0, and that is 2 gram atom of hydrogen. Now second question is, what is the oxidation number of the underlined elements in the following molecule? So first is N2SO4, in this nitrogens we have to find. Second is Cl2O7, in this chlorines we have to find. And third is NaNO2, in this nitrogen we have to find. That means their oxidation number we have to find. And fourth is H2, here hydrogen's atomic number we have to, oxidation number we have to find. So first is N2H4. So let the oxidation number of nitrogen is X. So 2 into X, because here 2 atom of nitrogen, so 2 into X plus, and hydrogen's oxidation number is plus 1, so and it is 4 atoms, so 4 into 1, so 2 into X plus 4 into 1, that is equals to 0. 0 because as every molecule has 0 oxidation number as a whole, that means they are in neutral state, that's why it is 0. And so 2x plus 4 is equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 4, and therefore x equals to minus 2. So we can say that oxidation number of nitrogen in N2H4 is minus 2. Second is Cl2O7. In this chlorines we have to find. So let the oxidation number of chlorine is X. So 2 into X, because 2 atoms of chlorine is there. So 2 into X plus, and here oxygen's oxidation number is minus 2. So 7 into minus 2, that is equals to 0. So 2x minus 14 is equals to 0, because 2 into 7 is 14. So this implies 2x equals to 14, and therefore x is equals to 14 by 2, that is 7. So the oxidation number of chlorine in Cl2O7 is plus 7. Now third is NaNO2. Here in oxidation number of nitrogen we have to find out. So let the oxidation number of nitrogen is X. So 1, here sodium is 1 atom, so 1 and sodium's oxidation number is 1 also, so 1 into 1 is 1, plus nitrogen we have supposed X, and it is 1 atom, so 1 into X is X. Oxygen is 2 atoms, and oxygen's oxidation number is minus 2, so 2 into minus 2 equals to 0. So it is 1 plus x minus 4 equals to 0, and this implies x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to plus 3. So we can say that the oxidation number of nitrogen in NaNO2 is plus 3. Now S2, here oxidation number of hydrogen in S2 is 0. It is so because the oxidation number of an element in the free state is 0, and that's why it is 0. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.